Today, I'm showing you how to remove gaps in Audacity. So go ahead and open up Audacity and record your audio. Let's say you already have your audio recorded. I'm going to go ahead and find the background noise. So for this instance, we're just going to be using whatever the heck this is. Yeah, it's me breathing. So I guess for this example, we're going to be using this since I don't really have a lot of background noise. And so we're just going to use this as an example. Make sure it's selected, click and hold left click, and then drag into a selection. Then once you have your selection, hit Effect, then go down to Noise Removal, then Noise Reduction, and then Get Noise Profile. So what this does is it basically tells it that this is what you're wanting to target within the entire audio. So after you've done that, what I like to do is left click, Control A, which selects everything. But if you don't want it to affect everything, you can change that by simply double clicking and it'll only select this portion of it. But for this example, we're going to do the Control A method, then hit Effect, Noise Removal, and then click Noise Reduction again. Here, instead of doing step 1, we're going to do step 2, which basically tells it to noise reduce this entire selection. So these are something that you'd have to mess around with yourself, but these are my current settings. If you'd like to copy them, you can, but keep in mind, it's not a one shoe fits all. So these are my settings. I'm going to click OK, and all of a sudden it removes the background noise that I had selected. And just like that, that is how you remove background noise in Audacity. If this helped you out, consider subscribing and have a good one.